first grade families. My name is Mrs. Hileman, and I am so excited to be your child's first grade teacher this year. First grade is my favorite age group because it's a year full of so much growth. We will learn how to read, how to add and subtract, how to write and illustrate our ideas onto paper, and so much more. We will also participate in our first grade traditions. These are making books about culture and where we're from and exploring different cultures. Also, we plan and create gingerbread houses around the holiday time. And we learn about different animals and their life cycles and where they're from. And we even make a habitat out of that. So I am so excited. In my classroom, we use agenda books as a communication tool. Parents can use this to communicate with me. Students will write in their agenda book every day, and it'll be sent home every day so that it can be signed by an adult every night. We also use a behavior clip chart in the classroom, so students every day, students will start on green, and they will clip up for positive behavior, and they'll clip down for negative behavior. At the end of the day, I will record their color in their agenda book so that you can see it. Homework. First grade does have homework. This includes math, spelling, reading sight words, and vocabulary sentences. For spelling, we do take a spelling test on Wednesdays. Students who do not receive 100% get to retake that spelling test on Friday. Students who do receive 100% on Wednesday get to take the challenge word spelling test on Fridays. We also have a classroom store. So on Fridays, students can use their tickets that they get to buy a prize from our store. A lot of students even save up their tickets because certain items cost more tickets. So to earn these tickets, students can get one by turning in homework. They also can get one by clipping up on the behavior chart. So it's the beginning of first grade, and I cannot wait to meet your child and get started. Thank you.
These pictures show our classroom this year, and students' desks have been spread apart. This is our daily schedule for first grade. Students should bring to school their backpack and a water bottle. As long as the water bottle is clear, it works. Also, I listed our specials here. Make sure that your child wears tennis shoes or closed shoes on Tuesdays for PE. And last, I included my email if you have any questions. Thank you.